Alright, so hopefully the audio is working properly. Let's see. Actually, I need to go and make sure here. Audio. Let's see. Make sure I got the proper sound kicking off here. Shoot. Okay, settings. Good morning, small town. Hopefully, my volume is working okay. Let's see. Oh, no. That's for audio input. Okay, microphone. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that should be better. There we go. Alright, good morning. Had to go ahead and change some sound settings. I had it where it was trying to record from the iPhone and all that. So anyways, so how's the precious metals looking this morning? I have not taken a look at any of that. I really have been messing around with other stuff all night. I was doing like some stuff on my websites and trying to get all that set up and stuff. Oh, I just added an echo. Okay, hold on. Is that better? Let's see. Video capture device properties. Oh, here we go. Audio capture. Realtek 2. Okay, cool. Just making sure. I had accidentally started up the program without having the headset plugged in, so it had the sound settings all haywire and stuff. Actually, let me go top up my coffee just really quick like before we get started here, and then we will discuss that. I have a new plan I gotta talk about. Oh, I'm sad. This coffee looks really weak. It was almost kind of clear. Anyway, so I was just working on my website. So this is one of the. I'm gonna pull it up here. This is one of the other websites I got. Pulling it up on the other screen here. I'll drag it over. And yes, I know it seems like I'm just kind of like buying random stuff, but I think in the long run, it'll all kind of go together with the strategy. So, it's themusicbuddy.com. You can play music on here, and yeah, it's a music streaming platform. So, anyways, that's kind of cool. I thought it was kind of cool, so I went ahead and bought it. It was pretty cheap, but like I said, it was I have not added any songs. So, see if it works. We'll go ahead and try and add a song here. Okay, we're not gonna play it, so let's see. Add to playlist. Search with them playlists. Okay, your music songs. Okay, see, here we go. Boom. No, not too bad. anyways, yeah, it's the musicbuddy.com. It's just something that I bought for because I thought it looked pretty cool. So, hey, no, I'm not really selling music. It's all free. Like, we can just play it here, and it just live streams the music from YouTube. But anyways, I'm gonna add some advertisements, and I might make a little bit of passive revenue just from the advertisements and stuff like that. So the website itself is not going to be selling anything, but I might make a subscription at some point if I actually get some people on here. I might make a subscription for like $2 or $5 a month or something where there's no advertisements. So being able to just sit here and I'll create an app that way you can listen to the music while it's in your pocket without having to have the screen activated, because that's one major downfall of YouTube is you can't listen to the music whenever the app's closed. So I'm going to design this in a way hopefully to where even when the device is power or the screen is turned off, the music will still actually be playing. So anyways, yeah, it's just one of my other projects that I'm adding to it. And then I bought an app, which the app I'm kind of regretting because I didn't do my due diligence. I just put in a bid. I really didn't think I would win it, but it won. So anyways, now I also own a PDF scanning app, but it seems to be very buggy and low on features. So maybe I'll try and improve it a little bit. But it'll go together with my business, because I'm going to be needing to scan documents at some point and all that stuff anyways. So it's like, at some point I might actually be able to have, implemented into all my stuff. So yeah, exactly. So I mean, I know there's a lot of other apps, but this was not that unique. But even if I could get like say a couple of thousand people a month worldwide to listen to this thing with ad, I could generate a couple of $100 a month. So that would be great. A couple $100 extra a month just from a website that is self-sustaining. People just got to come on and it automatically adds new music, and whatever you search for, like, it's pretty much gonna find. So far I haven't found a song that it doesn't have. Let's see if it even has like the classic. Yeah, see, it even has the classic music right there. Ooh, NXTD is getting straight hammered. Okay, I'm gonna buy the dip on that. I can buy 192 shares. Okay, I'm back in. Oh, it didn't fill my order? Come on, fill. My name is Phil. Fill my order. Oh, no. Okay, is it not gonna... Hold on, I'm just trying to make sure I get these shares. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel the order, because if I didn't already get it, I'm either not gonna get it or I should wait. So that was a sign. I'm gonna go ahead and be a little bit more patient with it. It's probably not gonna do what I want to do now, but alright. McDonald's, of course, is doing fantastic. The opposite of what we needed to do. PLTR. Ooh, the verb warrants. I still don't really get the concept of buying the warrants. But I think I am going to, in January, towards the end of January, I think I'm going to start buying some physical gold and silver. I think I'm going to get silver more so than gold. I think silver is kind of the way to go. I like the look of silver more than gold anyways, so it's a better shiny. Alright. My landlord might be popping up sometime this morning, so if he pops up, I'll have to jet. I purchased a little bit more crypto this morning. Throughout the middle of the night, I bought some more Bitcoin, and I bought some OX protocol. I really want to buy some more XLM, but I don't have the money to do that right now. Cause I do want to keep spreading it out, but XLM is, I don't know. Have you seen XRP this morning? It's gonna expire in 2 days. So the 31st it expires, and yeah, it most likely it's gonna expire completely worthless. So that plays pretty much dead in the water. So I'm just gonna let it expire. But yeah, have you seen XRP? It's down to 20 cents because it's getting delisted from Crypto.com and Coinbase. They're halting it, which is crazy. I thought that XLM would benefit from that, but it doesn't seem to be right now. But I do want to increase my XLM position because once XLM overtakes Stellar, yeah, oh, I know exactly. They're getting delisted, so it's gonna be crazy. But I feel like this is gonna be really good for XLM, because XRP was like their main competitor, and XLM really has some. So they have some good partnerships going on. So I'm just gonna keep holding that. I would like to get some more. If I could have like 10 to 50,000, that'd be great. I'd say XLM's good for at least like, you know, really whatever price XRP hit, XLM could actually go higher because there's less coins. So, you know, XLM could definitely hit like $5. So very easily, actually. Oh, I got back into Dogecoin as well on Binance. On Binance, I bought 32,000 Dogecoin. So I'm back in on the Doge. Ooh, NXTD. Just getting hammered down. Alright. I'm getting ready to try and snatch some of these NXTD shares up on the low here in a second. I'm going to try and catch this next big red candle. I gotta pull it up on the bigger screen here. I think the NXTD's still got some pump left in it. So If I can get in around that 123 mark, just want it to come a little bit lower. Come on. Yeah, I'd like to get it around 126. I'll take 126. Ooh, it's got a lot of sell pressure going on right now. A lot of people selling. Kind of glad it didn't fill my last order though, but either way it would have been a safe entry. Okay, we're about to get the breakdown, so come on, come on. Almost. There's a pretty thick wall there at 130 now. They're setting up a resistance line at the 130 mark. Look at me, I'm over here being greedy. I'm over here being greedy by about like 3 cents. I'm like, oh, let me get that 3 cents cheaper. See what Riot's looking like this morning. Ooh, they're getting slaughtered. Mara. Yeah, here it comes. Okay. Alright. We're about to get a reversal here pretty quick, I do believe. So, if you're scared, go to church. And I'm in. What price did I just get in at? I just got in at 129 with 190 more shares. So now I have 373 shares of NXTD. So let's see what happens. I'm bot counting on I'm expecting the volume to pick up, and you know, we should very quickly be back up in this area if my calculations or my assumptions are correct over here. So it really just depends on what Bitcoin decides to start doing today. Bitcoin starts rallying, then it could turn these stocks around. So yeah, it's gonna be a wait and see type thing, but either way, I think it's a pretty good entry point for the stock. I think there's a tremendous amount of upside to go. So I'm gonna be looking to sell between these two lines right here is really my target. So if I can sell between 2 and 250, that'll be great. I'll probably hold some just in case it goes a little bit higher. But yeah, ideally between 2 and 250 would be fantastic, because that'll be a good $500-600 profit. I'm looking for around 100% gain, 100% return, more or less. Maybe more like 80, 85, 90% gain is what I'm looking to get out of this one. So we can see it, like all these are starting to come up. Let me go ahead and pull up. Man, Verb. I need to go ahead and start saving up some cash so get more Verb at these prices. So yeah, all these crypto ones are starting to have a pretty good bounce. But see, now every penny that this stock moves, I'll make $3.72. So that's a good thing about having larger numbers, is whenever it really starts moving, you know, the dollar signs can start moving pretty quick as well, you know. So, but to be completely real, I mean, it would be absolutely nothing for this stock to end up running over this $3 mark by the end of the week. If Bitcoin rallies up to 30K, this stock could very easily end this week over the 350 mark. So with that being said, that would be a very, very nice profit. That would net me about a $800-900 profit. Yep, sure does. So, yeah, that's pretty much the goal with this one. I'll be looking to get out of it, you know, relatively quickly. I'm not trying to hold this stock for too long, but at the same time, I also have a very real possibility of, you know, the stock could absolutely go back down here, or even possibly below this market. Now, it should. If it does come down to this 105 mark, it should bounce pretty hard. But you know, I definitely don't want to get stuck in this range. I needed to break back above this mark right here and try to make some foundation up in this area up in here. Because if I can get it to, you know, just make a solid foundation right here, we'll be in a pretty good spot. But we gotta remember that the trend over the last 10 days, you know, it's down, gapped up, down. So hopefully we get a bigger gap up tomorrow. But I'm assuming it's probably going to keep going down today. I'm not really seeing the movement on Bitcoin like it would be good to see. Better go check the Forex account. Down $7 today on the Forex. See, this Riot blockchain, it's still got a... Oh, wow, that's horrible looking. What? It's still got a lot of room to run as well. This is one of those stocks that could end up hitting 30, 40, 50 bucks. They have so many Bitcoins, it's crazy. This company right here. So they should, hopefully they're buying some of their company stock back. Wonder where Swirl is this morning. Coming up pretty nice. Oh, be right back. I gotta find my doobie. Give me just a second. I gotta roll it up gently down the stream. Oh my gosh. So many seeds. The thing about the crypto though is it's starting to prove that it's a a serious thing. That it's moving out of the speculation realm and into the real world. So it's like at this point I think it's good. No. So I have maybe about an equal. I have a little bit more in the stocks than I do in the crypto, but I have a decent amount. Like in my Coinbase account right now, I have over $1,000. But and then I have like my Binance and stuff and my BAP. Actually, I have about an equal amount of both. It's I'm about 50-50 into stocks and crypto. So and then I also got my little website stuff going on. So I'm trying to be diversified. Yeah, I'm trying to be diversified. I gotta get some like physical assets. I got the Winnebago. That's gonna be an asset, I think. If it's making me money or saving me money or I can make money off of it, whatever the case may be, it'll be an asset. So, but yeah, I'm trying to keep it all spread out that way. If one thing's wrong, I'm still covered. Not trying to go down with the ship. This captain ain't going down with this ship. If the ship sinks, I'm jumping out. All right, boys, y'all better scoot over because I'm jumping on the life boat too. I'm not just gonna stand here and watch it burn. I'm jumping off. You can tell the algorithms are starting to get a hold of this thing. Last week this thing was trading on 300 million volume. This week it's trading on hardly anything. Like it's probably not even just pop up on the scanner. Like it might pop up on the scanner, but no. See, it's not even popping up on the scanner yet this morning. Which this typically only picks winning stocks, so dang. Begin to go. So what about you? Do you have pretty much everything just in gold and silver? So no, you don't do stocks or any of that. You have a little bit of crypto though, right? I think you do. Yeah, you got crypto. Ooh. See, here comes the crypto stocks, right? FTSE. Oh shoot. That's probably not good for my Forex. yeah, I'm hopefully gonna start getting my other idea put into motion within the next week or so. I should actually start filing paperwork and stuff. I'm gonna wait until my next paycheck. I'm gonna set aside a couple of $100 for legal fees and start filing my paperwork just to have the name and all that just registered. Still a couple small details I need to figure out and all of that, but it's gonna get it going. Nice. Okay. I feel it, like, I was thinking the same thing, but I feel like almost at this point, the way that things are developing, that it almost doesn't even really matter the price. So I was just kind of like, screw it, let me just go ahead and get in. But you're definitely probably going to win major on the silver. I think silver is going to outperform gold. I don't know even why I think that. It's just something that I think could happen. But that's cool. I'd like to have some silver just to be able to hold the silver in my hand, USD to Canadian down 5% on the day. Might add to that position if it doesn't turn around here pretty quick on the Forex. Okay. Well, that's because, like, you're going for like capital appreciation, but which is not bad, but you also gotta have some of your money working for you. You know what I mean? So you just gotta get creative. I know that you don't like the government to really know what you got going on, so you'll have to get creative, but you could always do like e-commerce. You start an LLC, do it through that, or even a non-profit. Well, I don't know, however you want to do it. But there's loopholes and ways around, and spy calls would be pretty genius to do right now. Like any kind of spy call, like right now, if I had the money, would be fantastic. But I don't have the money right now. But yeah, I would definitely. I'd max the 72s out. Oh no, the 72s. Let me go for this. No, I don't really trade. Oh, that's over here. Ah, yeah, got you. Well, why don't you like convince him to start a business, and y'all just like you basically be like kind of like an investor, but you're not really in the paperwork aspect of it. I mean, because then you could do like the online. So I'm not you don't have to do the same stuff I'm doing, but there's all kinds of different things that you can do for a little bit of extra. Dang, that's some big red candles there on the S&P though. The volume's picking up as well. What's the VIX look like? Ooh. Well, I mean, that's cool. See, I've been looking at properties all across the United States, so I'm thinking about getting my realtor's license. 'Cause I've seen some pretty decent little opportunities where a person could. I have some ideas and stuff in the field, but I got to get some financial backing before I can really do any of that type of stuff. But I feel it. I mean, but see, the thing with it is e-commerce or just online. Having a website online or anything is so cheap. It's literally like so cheap. And if you got money to invest in a piece of property that just might not actually even produce an income or a profit, it's going to take a long, years before you even see that profit. But you could invest, say, a couple of $100 and start to see profits within a few months, and then also, have a greater opportunity for profit. Dang, like $1,000, shoot. Wow. Yeah, see, he came up heavy on that. See, that's why it's good to have. That's why it's sometimes good to be able to have some assets laying around where you can get some fast cash. Like, hey, I'll give you whatever. You want $1,000 for that? Here, let me get that. Boom. Here's $1,000. That's awesome. Looks like I got burnt on this NXTD position. I'm about to lose all the profits that I made. Cause it's about to dump. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, I definitely should have been slightly more patient over here because these things are about to sell off pretty heavy. Because these are like momentum plays. It's like they only move when Bitcoin's moving, and when Bitcoin ain't really doing just the right thing, these stocks aren't going to do nothing. Let's see. Yeah. For real. I mean, I just bought a Winnebago for more than $1,000, I'm paying $600 a month rent. I'd love to own a house for, oh my gosh. Here we go. It's about to drop straight down. All it needs to do is pick up some volume, and it's going to be plummeting. Jeez. But yeah, I honestly I've been looking around, like I said, I've been looking all across the United States at all the cheapest property basically. And in some places there's some decent opportunity, out there. It's just person has to have the money to be able to do it. And and there's opportunity out there though. Plenty of it. Oh, look at this volume. Come on. Not bad. Not bad at all. And I guess you probably got it, you probably paid for it in cash because the insurance money, I'm sure. That's good that you don't have to worry about no rent or, anything like that. Nice. So then probably the value's already increased. I mean, over time, the value should continue to increase. I don't remember where you live. I feel like I know, but I can't remember. Anyways, but yeah, property values should go up over time regardless of where it is, honestly. That's why properties is pretty much always a good investment. It just depends on how much you get it for. Like one of the things I want to do with my business is just buy empty land, just empty plots of land. I just want to for the future, and in the future, either develop the land with something, or okay, Missouri. Yeah, there's a lot of cheap property down in Missouri too. I was looking all around Missouri and Arkansas, and there's some nice property down there, but yeah, I was thinking about it, still am. Um, I want my business to own a piece of property in every state. And then, like I said, even if it's just empty land, it can either be sold for a profit, or used to develop something, either the land or business opportunity. Dang. Yep. See, that's kind of what I was thinking. Is just buy some property and make a little, like down in one of them little places like that, and kind of build a little farm, but then put like a little place on there and just have somebody live there and run the farm, and do like a profit share type thing, to where they run everything and they just pay me a certain amount of money a year or whatever. Oh yeah, see, I could have waited just a little bit longer and saved myself about $100, or roughly a good like 60 shares. See, now I just turned my profitable position into a losing trade. See, that's why it definitely pays to be patient sometimes. There's tremendous buying support here, but But I'm just gonna hold it because this thing could very easily, you know, open up tomorrow over $2. Like, it would be no problem. Honestly, this thing could run to like 17 bucks. That sounds crazy, but under the right circumstances, it could definitely happen. Let's see what McDonald's is still shooting up. 8 cents a piece. Jeez. Oh, they're worth 0 right now? Really? Let's see. Okay, they're worth, yeah, they're worth about $8 a piece. Man, if a person knew something, come in here and buy all these up, buy like 100 of these things for like $1,000, and then all of a sudden McDonald's sells off by the end of the week, within the next couple of days, and boom, looking at something like up in here each. That'd be crazy. Some people get lucky like that. It happens all the time. They get into the right trade at the right time, and the next day, poof, thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, just like that. Well, I know one thing. I'm having at my job. They're talking about so this is gonna be my last week of working the graveyard shift, because then after that we're not gonna be open graveyard anymore. So that being said, I'm also the newest cashier there. So my boss was telling me that they might try and transfer me. If that happens, I'm not gonna be so happy. So I probably have to look for a new job if they do that, because any transfer is pretty much going to be a loss in wages for me, and I'm not going to take too kindly to that. So should be down about $100 today. P&L open 300. That McDonald's, man, that McDonald's really hurt. Not a big deal, but quite annoying. Quite annoying. Okay, here goes the next leg down on the crypto stocks. Alright. And Ameri Holdings, approve all proposals. AMRH. Ooh. Wow. Huh. Yeah, stay away from that. Just wanted to check that out. I know somebody that's in that. Ooh, Burbs selling presenting a very attractive opportunity. I just need more money. That's why I want to get these online businesses going, because I can literally generate passive money, and all that passive money is going to be used to reinvest, expand, and invest. So those three aspects: reinvest, invest, and expand. So, and reinvest means reinvesting into the company and to grow the company's assets. Invest is to, obviously maintain this form of assets. And then, yeah. I'd really like to get that up and going. I spent a lot of time today, so actually I need to check an email real quick. Find out if this person has responded that I'm buying this website from, because I'm trying to get the website all set up. I have no idea how to run it or anything like that, so I'm gonna have to have assistance. At some point I'm gonna have to have some professionals. Oh, shoot. My landlord I gotta go. My landlord just got a hold of me. He's on his way over here, so I gotta go handle some things and all that. So anyways, it was good talking to you, bud. I'll see you real soon. I gotta go. He's gonna trim some trees and all that good stuff, so yeah. Right now I only have 2 stocks. So I have the one right here, and then I have NXTD, which is probably getting slaughtered right now. Yeah, so I just have those 2 stocks, and then yeah. Anyways, oh wow. Yeah, well, sounds good, bud. Be careful out there. I'll see you later. Have a good